Celebrating his 3rd birthday. Cool hat, dude. I love that. A big happy birthday to Zane. He's going to celebrate in Jasper.
All right, and we've got Nikolai Stipp turning 4 years old this year. Nikolai is in Erie, Kansas.
Let's call it having your hands full right there, Nikolai. Cool picture, though. Xavier Johnson, a 5th birthday. He's got a cool hat, too. Xavier, he's celebrating in Iola. He has been celebrating in Iola. Xavier, we're going to carry your birthday into the weekend, man.
All right, down in Miami, we've got Jagger Humble turning 12 years old. Looks like he's celebrating his birthday up at Lambeau Field in Green Bay. That's pretty cool.
That is cool. And I tell you what, you know whose jersey that is, right?
I can't see the number.
Hey, Ron.
Ah.
Hey, Jagger, I got one for you. For your birthday, I want you to do one thing. Remember, in the words of number 12, RELAX. My favorite Aaron Rodgers quote right there. Nicole Earl, an 18th birthday. Nicole, a very happy birthday to you.
John Bauer turning 56 years old in Thayer.
And Mila Westbrook, a lover of dance art, and that cat right there who goes by the name of Oscar. Mila, happy birthday in Chanute.
And Columbus, Doug Westerfeld turning another year wiser. Happy birthday, Doug.
Jesse Church celebrating number 63. Jesse's in Miami. Sean Haggerty, a happy birthday in Frontenac. And Dick Fogliasso, I know that your birthday was yesterday, but we're going to celebrate it today as well. He is in Frontenac.
And we've got a 51st anniversary to celebrate in Girard today. Congrats going out to Alan and Ginger Mine.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into birthdays at koamtv.com, or you can go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right. I'm going to tell you about the KOAM Birthday Club. And you can be a part of it too. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.